afternoon, welcome. This is Waec year 2020 English Objective Past Question. Question number 36, and the instruction here says that we should look out for the word that is nearest in meaning to the underlined word in this sentence or statement. And the underlined word here is absorbed. And the sentence says it is absorbed that people find it difficult to be honest. It is absorbed that people find it difficult to be honest, that is honest. And option A is strange, option B abnormal, option C alarming, option D interesting. And when we say something is strange, it means that it is foreign, it is synonymous to foreign or alien. Then when something is abnormal is synonymous to absorbed. Yes, abnormal. Or on tradition. Then when something is alarming, that is getting to zenith, getting to the zenith. Then when something is interesting, that is catching, or keenly, something that is keenly to, and so on and so forth. Keenly interesting. So the option that can actually replace the underlying word, which is absorbed, is abnormal, which is option B. So it can be said that it is abnormal that people find it difficult to be honest. It is abnormal. It is not strange. It is not interesting. It is not alarming. But it is abnormal that people find it difficult to be honest. It is untradition in the society. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. And ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.